actually kind of anxious. Well, I cannot speak English. I know it's been a long time. It's been a very long time. I don't have excuses, but listen to me. Cat. Hello global citizens, and welcome to this new episode of Gladly Global. This is where we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad. Welcome new people, and welcome back people. Today we're talking about language goals. Oof! This is a topic that actually makes me kind of anxious. Can you believe it? Yes, I have been struggling a lot these past few years, and especially this year, thinking about what I want to do in the future. I struggle a lot comparing myself to people, especially on social media, that seem to have everything figured out. You know it's not true, right? You know everything is like just filtered out. They only show the good things, but at the same time I cannot stop thinking like I have to do better. I'm not doing enough. Everything that I'm doing is worthless, and I am so bad at everything that I do, and like it takes a lot of energy all the time to have all of these things going on in your mind. And I'm talking to myself first when I'm saying that this year I'm gonna actually try to stop looking at other people and look at myself. I am doing great. I think all the things that I'm doing are the best that I can do at the moment. I cannot do more than this. I cannot. This is my happy place. This is my happy place, and this is my starting point. Oh, by the way, are you struggling with these kind of things too? Please do let me know in the comments. Use the comments as a therapy session. You can write 5 paragraphs worth of words. It's alright, I will read it. I need to know that I'm not alone in this, for real. Please. I just want to say, every year when I start the new year, I like to kind of think back at all the things that are going on. I'm like, yo, girl, what are you doing? Like, I don't know. But yes, I like to categorize the things that are going on into different areas. And the keyword for this year is balance. Balance between the categories. Because I tend to overdo some things and completely forget about others that are as important as them. So I need balance. I need balance and peace. So this year my categories are work, self-care, and projects. Starting with work is pretty much very language related for me, as my main focus is working for Gladly Global, which now, by the way, is officially a company. It's registered and everything, which is super cool. So I work for Gladly Global, taking care of the community, creating content and organizing events, and it's just amazing. By the way, if you're interested in connecting with the community, the best way, other than following us on our socials, is to get into that sweet Discord server, which link is in the description. Just saying, I am there all the time. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. I'm there. So come over. Let's have fun. The other thing that I do for work is teaching on italki. So I don't have like really goals set for this category, other than just doing my best and keep doing what I'm doing. I think it's just amazing the way it is. Yes, and the second category is projects. I have some things going on, and they're pretty much language related as well. Honestly, I have to say basically everything I do is kind of connected to languages. I wrote a script for this video and I just realized this. It's okay. So I'm I'm recording an album of music where I sing and I play with some friends, and the songs that I'm writing are all in different languages, and I've been so invested in trying to investigate languages that also I'm not really fluent in. So I've been talking with friends, and it's just so exciting. It's such an exciting project. More about it in the future, by the way. And my goal for this year is just to keep doing this and record the music and publish it online, and it's just such a nice Music make me feel alive, man, and I'm just so happy to be able to do this. Another thing that I'm working on is my Twitch channel, where I do co-working streams. By the way, links are in the description, but me, Ray, and also Elmo do this kind of co-working live streams. Basically, we study together with the timer. So I usually study for 45 minutes. We call it focus time. And then we chat for 15 minutes, and it's just such a nice way to kind of co-work with other people but still getting a bunch of things done. It's also a nice way to connect with other people in a safe way. It's just nice. I love it very much. I'm gonna keep doing this. Definitely not gonna stop. And that's basically it for my projects. More things are coming, but I have also another project that is kind of halfway between work and projects, and I want to move abroad. I'm currently in Italy and I would like to go to work and live possibly in the Netherlands. We're gonna see. I'm not sure about this yet, but it would be such a nice adventure to be able to be in an international place again. I miss it very much. I don't know if it will be possible this year, but definitely I'm gonna put my efforts into that as well. My last category is the most important one, even if it's like, of course it's on the same level as the other ones, but it's the most important because it's the one I want to focus on the most, and it's the one that I usually forget about. I definitely need to do more exercise, and I need to sleep a little better. I need to take care of myself. And don't forget that work is important, but your body is important to you. I say this all the time to people, but it's the thing that I don't do. But it's so true that if you're not feeling well, like 100% in your body, it's so hard to get everything else done. I'm sure you have experience of this. My goal is to actually not only realize this, but put it into practice. I need to have a good morning routine. I need to have a good nighttime routine. I also want to connect with spirituality a little bit more, and reading books a little bit more, connect with paper and use stationery a little bit more, do those kind of things that I like. And into self-care, I also included language learning. This is probably weird. You would think it would be in another category maybe, but for me, so I refuse to consider language learning as a chore. I refuse. It's something that I do because it makes me happy, because I like it, because I love to connect with people. I decided that this year, the only big goal that I'm gonna have is to try to get N1 level JLPT, which is a Japanese certification, and it's the highest level. I tried to do it in the past, but I didn't succeed, so I want to do it. It's just something that I'm missing, because in the future I would like to start teaching Japanese as well. But for all the other languages that I'm very interested in, I'm talking Korean, I'm talking French, I'm talking Mandarin, and any other language that I might get interested in, I want to keep this mindset of it's okay if you just double once a week or once a month. Maybe sometimes I feel like I want to learn 2 or 3 words of Norwegian, and like I want to stop thinking that if I start learning a language, I need to 100% learn everything I can about that language. I need to be consistent, blah blah blah, because that's not something that makes me happy, and I want to be happy. This is my journey. I think there might be people out there that need to hear this. It's alright. You decide the level of fluency you want to get in a language. It's completely fine. I also wanted to clarify the fact that the reason why my video is coming out in February is because I decided that the month between, or let's say the period of time between the new year, the 1st of January, to the lunar new year is going to be basically my figure life out time. And from this year onwards, I decided that I'm not gonna force myself to having everything figured out before the ending of December anymore, because that's not healthy for me, and it makes me anxious. It makes me very rushed. It makes everything feel very rushed. So I want to keep January as a month to figure things out, and I tried it out this year. 100% recommend it. I just feel so much more comfortable with myself, honestly. In general, I'm kind of like refusing to adapt to the Gregorian calendar anymore. I created a new calendar called the Neptune calendar. More on it in the future. I'm going to make a video about it and everything that I do. It's just, I cannot. So I made my own. So this is it for the goals that I made. I'm going to make a video this month where I'm going to show you how I actually organized everything that is going on. I'm not just keeping everything in my mind, and I use different tools to kind of have everything under control and don't forget things to do and organize the future. So I'm going to make a video about that. That's very exciting. I wanted to make this for a long while. So it's coming, baby, it's coming. And also, yes, comment down below if you want me to just make more videos, because just be like, Anna, all right, all the goals are nice, but where are the videos at? Please write it so I feel the fire under my ass. Thank you very much. It was nice to make a video. It's been like 37 years, but I actually managed to do it. How about that? Yo, I'm proud of myself. Whew, celebrate the little things. Alright, that was it for today. Wait for part 2, organizing everything that is going on in my life. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and spread the love for languages. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.